Hello students, welcome to MDC Learning Standard SYBCom Subject FC Chapter Introduction to Competitive Exam and Topic Soft Skill for Competitive Exam. In this video, we are going to understand about the soft skills for competitive exam. First, let us understand the meaning of soft skill for competitive exam. Soft skills are the personal attributes that enhance an individual interaction, job performance, and career prospectus. Unlike hard skills, which are about a person's skill set and ability to perform certain type or activity. Soft skills relate to a person's ability to interact effectively with co-workers and customers and are broadly applicable both in and outside the workplace. Soft skill is a sociological term relating to the persons as an emotional intelligence. Okay, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स को ज़्यादा इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस के साथ जुड़ा गया है. उसमें सोशल ग्रेस, कम्युनिकेशन, लैंग्वेजेस, पर्सनल हैबिट, फ्रेंडलीनेस, ये सब एक के पीछे एक आता है. Soft skill complement hard skill, which are the occupational requirement of a job. Okay, और soft skill complement करता है hardship को, which are very occupational requirement of a job and many other activities. Okay, एक पर्सन का जो सॉफ्ट स्किल से इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस क्वेश्चंस के साथ इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट बनता है, वैसे ही ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के साथ डील होता है, फेस टू फेस जनरली डील होता है सक्सेसफुली. If they train their staff to use these skills, it becomes very important for it. Okay, इसका important skills जो सॉफ्ट स्किल्स का रिक्वायरमेंट का ज़रूरी है, दैट इज़ स्ट्रॉन्ग वर्क एथिक्स. अ पर्सन मस्ट बी मोटिवेटेड and dedicated to getting the job done under any circumstance. Okay, जो भी circumstance रहने दो, वो person dedicated रहना चाहिए काम करने के लिए. Okay, a person उसके साथ काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है काम ऑफिस के साथ, और वो जॉब भी अच्छे से अच्छा करना चाहिए. दैट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी वेरी मच इम्पॉर्टेंट. देन पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड. A person must be optimistic and always upbeat to generate good energy and goodwill. Okay, this person should be very very optimistic and always should be very updated to generate a good energy and a goodwill as well as a good environment to the organization. Then we have good communication skills. A person should have a very good communication skills when the person is working for. A person needs to have a good at verbal particulations as well as a good listeners while the subordinate are talking. Okay. Then we have time management abilities. A person should prioritize tasks and work on project without प्रोक्रेस्टिनेशन. ओके, उसका टाइम एबिलिटी बराबर रहना चाहिए, भले वो कभी भी किधर भी काम कर रहे हो, टाइम बराबर उसको कीप अप करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स. अ पर्सन नीड्स टू बी रिसोर्सफुल एंड एबल टू क्रिएटिवली सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, एनी प्रॉब्लम विच अराइजेस द पर्सन शुड सॉल्व वेरी क्रिएटिवली. दैट इज़ मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. Acting as a team player. A person needs to work well in a group as well as in a team. Okay, it is important to work in a team and become a good team player. That is more important. He needs to work with a cooperative spirit and take up the leadership role when needed and when it is very very necessary. Then we have quantitative ability. It is basically the ability to interpret the meaning in numbers and mathematics. बेसिकली आंसर्स नंबर्स एंड मैथमेटिक्स में देने के लिए होते हैं. द क्वांटिटेटिव एप्टीट्यूड टेस्ट मेजर्स द न्यूमेरिकल ability and accuracy in mathematic calculations. Everything comes under this quantitative ability. Then we have quantitative ability is required to several competitive exams, that is CAT, SET, GMAT and GRE. इस सब में कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्ज़ाम्स इंक्लूड हुआ है एंड ये होता है. ओके, सो इट्स वेरी इम्पॉर्टेंट. Careers involving exceptional quantitative abilities are being able to apply mathematical skills and tools to solve problem is essential to virtualities. All careers in science and engineering इसमें भी काम आता है, स्पेशली ऑफिसेस में भी काम आता है. Being comfortable with mathematics and numerical data help architects to design and engineer to build the structure that will endure for decades. Okay, मतलब ऐसा लोग बिल्ड करते हैं कि ये डिकेड्स में वो इंश्योर रहना चाहिए कि वो सेफ रहेगा. ओके, देन क्वांटिटेटिव एबिलिटी हेल्प्स मेट्रोलॉजिस्ट ट्रैक वेदर सिस्टम्स एंड डेवलप accurate forecasted. Okay, whether it is developed accurately and whether it is forecasted accurately, that is important. This is one of an example of quantitative ability. If you can see, it's all of numerical based. Then we have data interpretation. Data analysis and interpretation is a process of assigning meaning to collect the information. Data interpretation, in this question, data is presented either in the form of table or as a bar chart, pie or a line graph, or as a combinations of these formats. Okay, see, now you can see this example how the data been interpreted with the pie chart, pie diagram. Okay, thank you.